Right? Okay. Good morning, students. So today I would like to teach you the fourth part of speech. Adjective. See, the last four videos we have discussed so far noun, its kinds, examples, pronoun, its kinds, examples, verb, its kinds, some examples. So today we are going to learn the fourth type of parts of speech, adjective. First of all, what is an adjective? We'll see. Adjective means it's a word. It's a word which describes nouns and pronouns. See, this is adjective means here. It is a word which describes nouns and pronouns. One more. See, it qualifies. It qualifies nouns or pronouns. Nouns or pronouns. See, that's why it is also called describing word. Describing word. See, describing word. See, adjective means here, it is one of the 8 parts of speech. It's a word, of course, which describes either nouns or pronouns. See, it qualifies. It qualifies nouns or pronouns. That's why it is very simply called a describing word. It describes nouns. It gives some additional meaning, extra meaning, of course. It describes the taste, the color, the shape, the quality, the quantity, the number of either nouns or pronouns. So that's why it is called as a describing word. For example, see examples. Good. See, good is a quality of a person or something. Good is a quality of someone or something. See, the quite opposite word of good is bad, tall, short, dirty, too round, $60 and some more example, etc. See, look at this word. Good is a quality of a person or something else. Bad is a quality. Tall, it's state. Short, it's state. Dirty, of course, it's a quality. Two, it's a number. Round, it's a shape. You see, 60, of course, number. So here, all these words, not only these words, we have so many, plenty of adjectives in English language. You see, adjective means here it's a word which describes nouns and pronouns. It qualifies either nouns or pronouns. That's why it is simply called as describing words. These are the examples. You see, generally it is, the adjective is See, adjective is placed before nouns. See, adjectives is always written just before noun. See, look at this. She is a good girl. See, look at this sentence. Look at this sentence. She is a good girl. Look at this word, good. Good talks about the quality of this girl. See, girl is a noun. See, girl is a common noun. So good is an adjective written just before the noun, and it is describing what kind of girl she is. What kind of girl she is? She is a good girl. See, this is example. So simple, very simple. Adjective is nothing but it's a word which describes nouns or pronouns. It qualifies nouns or pronouns. That's why it is simply called as describing words. Adjectives are nothing but describing words. They describe nouns or pronouns. They describe or qualify the quality, the quantity, the round, the shape, the age, the color, the taste of etc. Of noun. Alright? So here we are going to see types of all kinds of adjectives. We have different kinds of adjectives. I'll let you know. See, kinds of adjectives. Types of adjectives. Types of adjectives. The first one, adjective of quality. That's the first one. Second one, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Third one, adjective of number. Fourth one, possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. Right? So these are the types of adjectives. Look at this one, adjective of quality. Second one, adjective of quantity. Third one, adjectives of number. And fourth one, possessive adjective. See, we can be able to identify what type of adjective the given underlined word in the sentence. Actually, this kind of questions will not be asked in examination point of view, because you will be asked either it is an adjective, a noun, a pronoun, or convention, or something else. You will not be asked at all what kind of adjective it is. Is it adjective of quantity or adjective of quality? You will not be asked at all. But you must know what is what. So, see, first one, adjectives of quality means. You see, the meaning lies in this name. Adjectives of quality. That means adjective that shows or describes the quality of a person or something else is called as adjective of quality. They qualify something or someone. For example, we'll see adjective of quality. Just note down these one by one carefully. Which is the first one? The first one, adjective of quality. First one, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality means here, it qualifies or not, it qualifies, it shows the quality of someone or something. I mean, see, adjective quality can be answer for the question what kind of girl she is, what kind of boy he is, what kind of man he is, what kind of building is, what kind of school it is. You see, adjective quality can be the answer for the question what kind of. See, when we question what kind of, we can have this one, adjective quality. For example, see, adjective quality means here, it means adjective quality shows the quality of someone, that means person or something, of course things or animals, etc. See example. She has beautiful hair. She has beautiful hair. You see, look at this one. Hair is a noun. Hair is a noun, of course. See here, look at this word, beautiful. Beautiful is describing or talks about the noun hair. So, this can be here an adjective. What kind of adjective it is? Because it shows the quality of the hair of her. That's why it can be the adjective of quality. One more example. Second example. I have a black car. I have a black car. You see, car is a noun, is a common noun. Here look at this word black, B-L-A-C-K. Black, it is describing or talking about car. What kind of car I have? I have a black car. See, black is an adjective. Again here, what kind of adjective it is? You see, because as this word black describing or talks about the common noun car, so that's why it can be called as adjective of quality. It shows the quality of a person or something else. Very simple. Second one we'll see. Number 2. Adjective of see, second one, adjective of quantity. You see, quantity means here sum. For example, you see, this adjective shows the quantity of someone or something. See, the same definition. It shows the quantity, of something, the quantity of something. For example, yeah, for example, they have many horses. They have many horses. See, they have many horses here. Look at this word. What is the noun in the sentence? What is noun in the sentence? They have many horses. See, they, we know it is third person singular number pronoun. Have is a helping verb. Of course, primary auxiliary. It can be helping verb or main verb. We have seen the last video. See, many. It talks about some. Many means some. Konta, konni, another. And here, horses. You see, horse is a noun. Horse is a plural, more than one horses. Here, the word many talks about how many. You see, adjective of quantity can be the answer for the question how many or how much. Adjective of quality, what kind of. Adjective of quality can be the answer for the question what kind of. Adjective of quantity can be the answer for the question how many or how much. You see, many is the word describing horses. So this can be adjective of quantity. And we'll see third one. Third one, adjective of number. See, adjective of number. This can also be called as numeral adjectives or number of adjectives. Number adjectives. Again here, this adjective of number can be of three types. The first one is definite numeral adjective. Second one, indefinite numeral adjective. Third one, the third one is distributive. Distributive numeral adjective. Right? You see, first of all, the definition of this one we'll see. Adjective of number. It shows the number of noun, not number of noun. It shows the number of someone or something. See, adjective of number means here the meaning of this adjective number lies in the same. See, it shows the number of adjectives, a number of something or someone. See, look at it. It can be, see, this can be three types we have. Adjective of number can be three types. The first one, definite numeral or number adjective. Second one, indefinite numeral or number adjective. And third one, distributive adjective. So these are the three types of number of adjective or adjective of number. Definite number numeral adjective, indefinite numeral adjective, distributive adjective. See, definite, indefinite. Definite means here when a word specifies certain number, or when a word shows a particular number like 1, 2, first, second, 100, 200, 1000, 66th, 20th, 25th. See, when a word shows a particular number or a specific number, that can be a definite numeral adjective. And coming to indefinite numeral adjective. See, the word that does not show a particular or specific number of something or someone. For example, all, many, little, some, more, much, both. See, this can be indefinite numeral adjective. For example, all students came to class now. All student means here we cannot specify who is who. For example, 2 students came to class today. 2 means here it is specifying 2 number. So that can be indefinite, definite numeral adjective. But all, many students, little students came to, a few students came to school today. That means few means here we are not specifying or we are not making any particular number of adjectives. Then it can be indefinite adjective. And distributive means here, see, we have words distribution, each, either, neither. This kind of adjectives are called as distributive. You see some examples for definite adjective, definite numeral adjective. See, I write again here. First one, definite numeral adjective. Definite numeral adjective. I have told you, definite means here the adjective that shows particular or specific number of someone or something. For example, there are 7 boys in the class. Say, look at this sentence. Have a look at this sentence. There are 7 boys in the class. See, here, boys is the common noun. Boys. You see, 7. We can write the number also, SCVN, or the number, ordinal or cardinal. See, this word, we are specifying how many students are there in the classroom. 7 members. Here we are specifying or talking about a particular number of students. Then this 7 or the 7 can be definite numeral adjective. Right? And we'll see the second one. Indefinite Shall I write one more example? Yeah, example 2. See? Example 2. She got first class. First class in SSC exams. She got first class in SSC examinations. You see, class is a noun. What kind of noun class is? Do you know? Class means a group of students. See, if a word talks about groups of people or things, that can be called as collective noun. I think you remember. It is in first class, first video about nouns. I explained you. See, class is a noun. Here, first, F-I-R-S-T. Look at this word first. This is talking about the class she got. So, this can be an adjective. What kind of adjective here? Definite numeral adjective. Because it is specifying certain number here, first class, second class, third class, like. So these are the examples of definite numeral adjective. Now we see the second one. Now the second one, indefinite. Indefinite numeral adjectives. Indefinite numeral adjectives. See, indefinite means here a word or adjective that does not specify or shows a particular number of something or someone. For example, see the word or the adjective, that doesn't show particular or specific number of someone or something. See, indefinite means here when we are not, see, an adjective that does not show a particular or specific number of something or someone. For example, see, look at this example. I am writing here example. A few students attended the class. A few students attended the class. Look at this word. How many nouns are there in the sentence? See, students, the class. There are two nouns. Student, a common noun. Class is a collective noun. Look at this word. Few. A few describing here students. How many? A few. Here, the word few does not give any particular or specific number of students attended the class. Here, few means here kontamandi. We are not specifying. So, this can be called as an adjective. What kind of adjective it is? indefinite numeral adjective. Right? So this is about indefinite numeral adjective. And we'll see the third one. The third one, distributive adjective. Distributive adjective. See, distribution means here distribute something or someone to others or to a group of people. Distribution, panchatam anardham. Here, above that shows or that talks about distribution is called as distributive adjective. For example, I'm not writing any here the definition. I'm directly writing the examples. You see, look at this word. Each, either, neither, etc. You see, example sentence. Each boy has to attend the class. See, each boy has to attend the class. Look at this. See the word boy. Boy is a common noun here. Here each the word describing here boy. Each boy, every prati. Here each can be a distributive adjective. This is enough for the third adjective of number. And we see the fourth type of adjective, that is the fourth type of adjective, possessive adjective. Right? Fourth one, possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. Possess means here have. I possess a car. I have a car. Both here have is equal to possess. Possess means a kaligunduta another. See, I think I explained you when I was teaching you pronoun. When I was teaching you pronoun in my second video, I think I taught you what are the possessive adjectives. See, I'll teach you again. What are possessive adjectives? See, completely these possessive adjectives completely form from personal pronouns. Do you remember personal pronouns? See, first person, singular, plural. Second person, singular, plural. Third person, singular, plural. I think you remember. So these possessive adjectives are formed from these personal pronouns. For example, first person singular, I, we have, it is. First person plural, we. Second person singular, you, and plural, you as well. Third person singular, he, she, it. And third person plural, they. These possessive adjectives are formed from personal pronouns. And see the way they are formed. See, this board is very, very small for me. I have to adjust, you can adjust. From the next video onwards, I'll choose a comfortable board a big blackboard, which will be comfortable for me to write. It can also be comfortable for you to see, to watch. Right. Possessive adjective. First person. See, first person singular I. I the speaker. First person plural we, of course. Take that. First person singular I. See, look at this word. Mine. M-Y, mine. For example, somebody asked, whose book is this? It is my book. It is my book. My. Nayokka. That is called as possess or possession or having. So here, my can be a possessive adjective of first person singular. First person plural we. Are, not our, are. Second person. Both singular and plural. Your, Y-O-U-R. Third person. Singular. He, his. Next one, she, her. Next one, it, its. See, while you write it, its, you should not write like this. You should not put apostrophe here. If you put apostrophe, it becomes the full form. It is. That is another sense. You see, when we are the sense of it is the contracted form or short form. You should not write like it here. ITS, no apostrophe. It's. And third person plural, what is that? They. THEIR. They. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are possessive adjective. You see, look at this one. It is their dog. Look at the sentence. It is their dog. See, dog is a noun, common noun. See, look at this word, their. Their means here in Telugu వారి యొక్క, వాళ్ళది. They, possession. It is they. Here, there is a possessive adjective. And I'm sorry, extremely sorry for forgetting one more adjective, one more type of adjective. Actually, basically, in the beginning, I have told you there are 4 types of adjectives. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number or numeral adjective, and possessive adjective. And the 5th one I forgot, I'm sorry, that is demonstrative adjective that I'm going to teach you now. You have to write this. You have to write this 4th one in the beginning of this video. Don't forget, if you have small space enough, if you have small space enough, you write there as 5th one. That is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives. You see, at this time, I'll let you remember one thing. I'll let you remember that you have learned in, I think in second video, when I was expanding pronoun. See, do you remember demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronouns. See, demonstration, demonstrate means here to talk about, to show something or someone. For example, hi, this is my friend. This is a blackboard. You see, I told you 4 words there. Then 4 words. This, that, these, those. These 4 words are called as demonstrative pronouns there in pronoun class. Here, the same 4 words. What are they? These are this, it's plural, not plural, that, these, and those. You see, these 4 words. These 4 words can be pronouns, can also be adjectives. These 4 words can be used in 2 different ways, as pronouns, as adjectives. See, there is a variation. We can easily identify where this is an adjective, where this is a pronoun. Very easy. A simple logic. I think I told you in the class. I'll tell you again. This class also. This, that, these, those. These 4 words can be called demonstrative adjectives because these words are used to demonstrate someone or something. I mean, to talk about someone or something, to show someone or something. We use these words. For example, if you introduce someone else, your best friend, hi, students, my friends, this is my friend Prabhu. This, hi friend, these are my students, my old students. Like you see, these words can be used to demonstrate someone or something. You see here. I think no need to write particular definition here. I'll tell you the examples. By these examples, you can easily understand that what is a demonstrative adjective, what is a demonstrative pronoun there, right? Look at these examples. This is her back. This is first example. Second one. This bag is hers. Yeah, this bag is hers. You see, I was expanding first person singular, plural, second person singular, plural, and third person singular, plural. You see, he, she, it. See, while I was writing her, so once see what you have written, what I have written here. The possessive adjective of she is her. I think I told you. That's not her. This one. Hers. See? She, her, hers, hers, and herself. Look at these words once. She, her, hers, again hers, herself. She can be a pronoun. What kind of pronoun it is? It is a subjective pronoun. Subjective pronoun means that it is always used in the beginning of a sentence. And second one, I am a spontaneous going fast this one.